Hey everyone, welcome. I am Crystal. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning Yarny Cat, welcome back. So today on Yarny Talk Thursday, I have a bunch of Halloween yarns to show, plus one that is not a Halloween yarn that I finished, and I have a super tiny mini, and I'll tell you the story behind that. Now, the Halloween fiber that I have been spinning, I have enough to do 2 more minis out of this. And this set right here is going to be a Halloween plied yarn for October's giveaway. So that is all I have left from the fiber you saw that I got in on last Thursday's video from Mohair and More. I will link them down in the description box. They have a website and an Etsy shop. So, moving on, I have the striped Halloween minis. And I made a total of 8 of these. Now, I have started doing them different instead of just, straight. So, this majority of them came out to 2 weights. I have 2 out of the 8 that were 3 weights. So these 2 came out to 3 weights. And 1 that came out to a 1 weight. But this one right here, Halloween mini number 5, is going to be for September's giveaway. So this one is going in September's giveaway. Now, all the rest are for my live sale in October. So last month, I had 4 of these type and 4 barber pole. I started playing around with different colors for the barber pole this time for the Halloween yarn. Last month, it was purple and green and black and orange. This one is purple and orange and green and black. So that is how it turned out. It will be 2 sets of these stripes, but they're barber pole. Then, this is my new creation of the Halloween yarn. It is called Halloween Multicolor Mini. And I made 3 of these. I think it turned out super cool. I love it. All 4 colors held together. Now, I'm going to take one of these out and show you so you can see how it kind of looks. I absolutely love it. What do y'all think? I think it turned out really, really cool. I really do. I was worried that certain colors would overtake other colors, but I think it turned out super, super cool. So, I made 3 of these. One of them is a 3 weight and the other 2 are 2 weights. So, I also finished the 2-ply that I showed that was on the Nitty Knotty. So I got it hanked up. And you can kind of see the different strands wrapped around each other. This, I don't remember if I gave y'all the weight and the yardage. It turned out to be 78 yards. The wraps per inch was 11, which it came out to a number 4 after it was plied. Some of it I think is about a 3, some is a little thicker, kind of like right here, this strand and this strand you can tell are different. But, so I got that one hanked up. Now, the story behind this little mini, I did not soak it, I did not do nothing, I just hanked it up. I'm gonna have it as a little decoration on my yarn shelf back here. My neighbor came over and was talking to my grandmother, and she goes, "Where's your granddaughter? I haven't seen her." So she came and got me, or actually I was sitting outside, and I told her I had been spinning yarn and she didn't know I had a spinning wheel. So I went and got it and I spun up a little sample trying to show her how it worked and all of that. And so that is the story behind this little cutie. I mean, it's so super cute. And this color is also the same one that is in here. It's called Light Jade. It's merino. All of these are merino. Now, the one I'm going to do for October's giveaway is going to be similar to this, the barber pole, but it's going to be applied yarn. Now, I'm actually thinking about doing the colors slightly different. I'm thinking about doing black and purple and orange and green barber poles, because I haven't done that color combo yet. So I'm not really quite sure. It might look like this plied. So this strand plied with this strand. I don't know yet, but we will see. And I believe that is it for today. Very quick, short little video from me. And I am going to insert Yarny Cat Spotlight here. We had 4 people submit pictures, but it is a longer segment because one person, Dee's Creative Hands Crochet, submitted a lot of pictures. So thank you, Dee. All the pictures. We also have Angela Wright, Denyse E, Yarn and Crochet Addict, or Crochet and Yarn Addict. Sorry, I always get it turned around. And Noelle Dufler. So thank you, ladies, for submitting pictures. And I have already created the Facebook post for October. I am going to start doing Yarny Cat Spotlight unless I don't have any pictures to share on the 3rd Thursday of every month. So that gives you almost a whole month to post pictures in my Facebook group. If you do not have Facebook, you can also email them to me. My email is listed in every description box. So thank you again for watching. I hope y'all enjoy Yarny Cat Spotlight. Tomorrow is my Friday Night Live with Katie. She is going to be spinning some yarn on her electric wheel. So I hope you can join us for that. It's at 5 p.m. Central Time. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, and I will see y'all later. Bye, everybody.